Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
First, verify whether uploads fail on Wi-Fi versus mobile data. Test both networks to isolate connection issues. Next, check that Snapchat has camera, storage, and microphone permissions enabled in settings. Open device settings, find apps, then Snapchat, and toggle those permissions on. Also confirm available device storage is at least 200 MB before uploading any media. Low storage causes media write errors and upload failures. Note the exact error message shown to guide the next troubleshooting steps. Force close and reopen Snapchat, then retry the upload immediately. Sometimes the app needs a fresh session to re-establish upload queues. If that fails, clear Snapchat cache from the app settings to remove corrupted temporary files. Open Snapchat, tap your profile, settings, scroll to clear cache, and confirm. Also free at least 200 MB of storage and restart the device afterwards. Removing bulky apps, photos, or videos often resolves write errors. After restart, test a small photo upload first to validate the fix. If quick fixes fail, update or reinstall Snapchat to ensure the latest upload fixes are applied. Uninstall the app, restart your device, and reinstall from your official store. Check for Snapchat outage reports if uploads fail for many users simultaneously before more invasive changes. If problems persist, contact Snapchat support with timestamps, screenshots, and app version details. Provide logs and the exact error message to speed diagnosis. Follow support guidance. Perform any recommended account refresh and test uploads after each suggested action.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.